Hey there, lawn enthusiasts. The string trimmers of today are an example of how more and more producers of gardening tools are choosing battery power over petrol or electric. To assist customers in selecting the best product for their home, we put these finest string trimmers through testing. Let's dive straight into the products. Greenworks Torque Drive. With its strong and adaptable construction, the Greenworks 40V 15-inch torque drive string trimmer can easily handle the hardest weeds and grass. It ensures continuous operation with its 15 cutting path and .085 dual-line bump feed head, which enable rapid and effective line advancement. With the variable speed trigger, you can easily move around plants and shrubs by controlling the cutting speed, and with 30% more torque, the torque drive technology ensures outstanding performance even in demanding circumstances. This trimmer's ergonomic design and lightweight design minimize user fatigue even with its tremendous capabilities. Its push-button start ensures hassle-free operation, and its bundled 2.00A USB battery ensures minimal downtime by recharging in just 60 minutes. In addition, this trimmer requires no gas, oil, or emissions, so it requires almost little maintenance and is an eco-friendly option that starts quickly, runs silently, and provides the necessary power. EGO Power Plus ST1623T. When creating this string trimmer, EGO went all out. Let's start with the reality that feeding the head is never necessary. String is automatically fed forth. When the string runs out, insert a pre-cut piece through the head and depress the rewind lever located at the shaft's end. In seconds, the string slams right into the cranium. According to our test, the 56-volt brushless motor provides plenty of power, and you have great control over that power thanks to a 2-speed selector switch that lets you decide whether to cut at full speed through vegetation or at a lower speed to prevent damage to nearby delicate shrubs. A carbon fiber shaft with telescopic length that you can customize to your preferences enhances that control even more. Because of its lighter weight, you feel less fatigued and can manipulate the machine with even more control. Polituo, with a motor that spins 90,000 times per minute. This Polituo cordless string trimmer ensures great speed and high efficiency to finish the task quickly and neatly, improving the appearance of your grass. It comes with two X2.0A lithium-ion batteries and one X charger, and it only takes 30 minutes to fully charge a fully charged 20 EV battery. By pushing the button on the cordless string trimmer, you can ensure that you always have fresh line available without having to stop working. This mower has an 11.8-inch cutting diameter and comes with 5 spools. Plus, this cordless string trimmer is ergonomic, simple to use in confined areas, and has a retractable long tube that makes mowing more pleasant and convenient. It also has an adjustable swivel handle and swivel head. Its cover with adjustable spacing protection keeps plants, lawn ornaments, and other delicate parts of your yard from being inadvertently trimmed. What else? At just 4.84 pounds, the Polituo cordless string trimmer makes it easy for you to do your tasks without having to lift bulky objects. You can complete the task with the greatest amount of ease and flexibility, regardless of whether you're moving between different regions or mowing your lawn for extended periods of time. Jagrom. With the wheel on the base of the Jagrom 2 in one cordless string trimmer, all you have to do is rotate the head in the desired direction to get an edger. A spacer guard is included to keep your plants safe, and it has an ergonomic design with a cutting head that can be adjusted 90 degrees and an auxiliary handle that can be adjusted 180 degrees. It also has a line cut and wheel so you can simply alter the angle to fit your needs for space and prune with ease. With its auto feed mechanism, this grass trimmer will automatically provide you with rope based on your available supplies. Along with keeping the rope at the proper length, the line cut and protective cover may keep you safe and make using it convenient. Plus, it merely needs to be put together simply before it can be used. Durable product design and a strong motor for extended use. To help you make the most out of the product, an additional spool cap and 8 coils are included. Workstring WG163. With its many uses and practical design, the Workstring Trimmer Cordless is a lawn care product that makes trimming and edging jobs simple. Its 2-in-1 capability makes it simple to switch between activities by transforming in a matter of seconds from a string trimmer to an edger. Without requiring manual modifications, the cutting-edge push-button command feed spool technology guarantees instantaneous line feeding. Also, you'll always have a consistent supply of line at your disposal with free spools for life. With the head's 90-degree tilt, you can easily navigate sloping terrain and difficult-to-reach places, while the rubberized wheels give the edger support and direction, resulting in smoother cuts and straighter lines. When you operate, the adjustable spacer guard guards against harm to plants, ornaments on the lawn, and landscape features. This trimmer is lightweight, with a 12 cutting circle and a no-load speed of 7,600 RPM. Its design makes it both maneuverable and powerful. It also includes 2 lightweight and strong 20V PowerShare Max lithium batteries, which ensure ease and compatibility with any other Works PowerShare equipment. EGO ST15111T. By creating a line of reasonably priced battery-powered tools that outperform outdated two-cycle gas-powered equipment, EGO Power Plus has established itself as a leader in the outdoor power equipment market. During testing, the ST15111T 15-inch string trimmer demonstrated power, cleanliness, and quiet operation. With just 50 minutes needed for recharging, the 56V 2.5A lithium-ion battery can run for up to 45 minutes. For increased cutting force and reduced noise, 0.095-inch trimmer line is preloaded into the bump feed trimmer head. The straight shaft form is advantageous for taller users, and the device weighs little more than 10 pounds. During our testing, the EGO trimmer demonstrated sufficient power to chop through any obstacle in its path, such as weedy, overgrown grass, honeysuckle vines, and privet seedlings. Its long, straight shaft and substantial battery and back provide it a well-balanced design that makes it more nimble and comfortable to use than other models we tried.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.